Hello, I'm Jo and I'm from RevitaliseU-Kent. I'm a wellbeing practitioner and wellbeing tutor. And today I'd like to share with you a few short, easy to follow hand reflexology techniques that you can practice yourself at home at any time. I will show you how to apply massage and reflex points on the hands. And here I have broken down them into short sessions for easy viewing and into sections that you might be interested in. But please remember, though, that reflexology does not replace traditional medicine. And if you have any health concerns, always seek professional medical advice before commencing with any holistic therapies to ensure the treatment that you've chosen is suitable for you. Now, my videos are intended to help encourage you to take a moment out of your busy day to stop, mindfully feel calm, relaxed, and just allowing the mind and the body to reset and feel revitalized. Help to empty your stress bucket a little and allow you to continue your day with a little spring in your step. Now, usually when I'm treating my clients face to face, I predominantly provide reflexology on their feet. They recline in a comfortable chair for about 45 minutes to an hour while I cleanse, massage and apply reflex pressure points using different areas of my hands. However, as the feet are often tricky areas to massage yourself, I have chosen to show you a few little techniques that you can practice on your own hands every day. I hope you enjoy these sessions and join me again for other videos. Take care. Bye-bye.